Hey everyone, in today's TikTok video, I wanted to show you how to add text to your TikTok videos, which is the latest update on TikTok. On this page, you could obviously always press upload to upload a video, or just go ahead and hold down and record yourself or whatever you're recording for your video. And once that's done, you don't add text on this page. You have to press check mark after you completed your video here. So I'm gonna press check mark, and the text is added here on this page. So I'm gonna press the text box right there on the bottom of the page. If you don't have it, make sure you update your TikTok app, but go ahead and press that A. It will give you the text box. Type in your text here. So I'm just typing the text. And when you're done, let's look at some of the options here. You have the A box right there. If you press the A box, it will create this border around it. Press it again and it will have a transparent box. And press it one more time to come to the original set. So you have three different options. Next to it, you have the justify left, right, or center. So I'll go center here. Then next to it, you have classic, typewriter, handwriting, neon, and serif. Those are all the different options of the style. Let me just go handwriting in this case. We'll resize it after we press done, but let's look at colors. On the bottom, if no border is selected, so right here on A, you could just change the color of the text to any of these colors. But if you press A here, it will change the color. Now, if you choose different colors, it will change the color of the box. You press A again, it will change the color of the transparent box. In all those cases, it keeps the text white. But if you press it again, you could change the color of the text. But I always like these kind of boxes here. Let me change it to typewriter. And let's say this is the text that we want to use. I'm gonna press done, and you could just go ahead and size it to whatever you want. Again, using two fingers. As I said, this is exactly like Instagram text in functionality. And when you're done, just press next, and you could go ahead and post your video the same exact way, now with text. If you wanted to add another text box, you can. Second box. Press done, bring that down, click it. You could always go ahead and edit it if you change your mind, put a box around it, change the style, press done, resize it, just like that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for a ton of TikTok, social media, and tech videos, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.